One of the surest ways to make money online is to offer a service, and services like transcription services, or what some people will call typing services, is one of the ways to make money online. But if you come over here on Fiverr, you can see that the number of services available are over 10,000. What it means is that over 10,000 transcriptionists have signed up to Fiverr and are scrabbling for transcription work to do for people. So if you've been trying to get in transcribing on Fiverr and it's been difficult, well, you might want to watch this video to the end because I have better alternative, even ones that will allow you to set your price on this video. So you just have to make sure to watch to the end. So the first website I would love to introduce is called transcriptionhub.com. This is the place where you can find transcription jobs, and signing up and everything about this place is completely for free, as long as you have a computer in your home that you can actually use to do this typing, and you have the skill in terms of listening properly and taking notes of things and making sure you are detailed with your work. Now, if you come here, they employ multilingual transcribers to transcribe projects like text to text, audio to text, verbatim to translation in 35 plus languages. Now, if you come here, you see that they employ multilingual transcribers, and for video and audio content, they start charging from 0 to 75 cents per minute. So this is negotiable. They do a lot of transcription, including research and academic transcription, medical transcription jobs, legal and law enforcement transcriptions. So this is an alternative for you as a transcriber if you're looking to sign up to somewhere that you can have as an alternative, even if you're signed up to Fiverr. Now, if you're looking to sign up, you come down here where it says jobs and career, and you click on transcription job. And if you want to do translation jobs, you can also find it on this website. So you see here, they are calling for remote or work from home transcribers, and you are just 4 steps away from finding a flexible and convenient work from this website. 4 steps are: you get evaluated. What this means is that they'll have to evaluate the quality of work before you get on board. Then the second step is live transcriber. Based on your evaluation, transcribers are rated based on in the categories of gold, silver, and bronze, along with access to their live transcription marketplace. So what it means is that any of the categories you fall in will go along with the access to their live marketplace. And then the third step is flexible work. You can enjoy freedom to work from anywhere at any time you wish. And the fourth and the final step is you get paid. Then based on the amount of work you have completed, you will get paid by Transcription Hub. Now, from my research, they do not really state the exact time that you're going to get paid, but it is stated here that once you have finished your job, you're going to get paid. Now, to register, you click here where it says register for free. Of course, you should know everything I'm going to mention on this video is completely for free. Now, once you come here, you fill out this information that is required of you to fill out and solve this captcha, and then you create an account with them and follow up the necessary step that may be asked of you. So what it means is that you have to have all this information handy before you come, and make sure that the email address you're going to be using is valid. And the second website we're going to be talking about is called Swannis.ai transcription program. But one good thing about this website is, one, you set the amount you're going to be paid, and secondly, most of the tedious part of the typing will be done for you. Things like reviewing the transcripts. The AI service they have does the reviewing of the transcript for you. So all you have to do is just to listen or read and type whatever that is required of you to type. So this is quite easy. And as you can see, they refer clients to you on this website. You don't need to struggle about clients or anything. The website will refer your clients, and they don't take any fee from you for doing that. Everything is completely for free. So once you get a lead, you are to charge whatever rate you want, and you will keep all the money that you have made. Sounds cool, right? Yes, so this is one online multi-user platform, which means that you can easily be added into new clients' transcript for cleanup. The experience is just seamless. Once you are part of the program, you'll be placed on their transcriptionist page. And with this, you know that it is growing and there are going to be lots of people coming in, because the services they offer to their transcribers is just too easy to ignore. So you might want to take advantage of this opportunity and sign up with them. And if you want to get signed up, you come here and put in your name and everything that is required of you, and then you get started for free. Now, before I move on to the last one, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. I really appreciate your support. Now, the last website we're going to be talking about is called transcriptionservices.com. Now, this is another place where you get part-time transcription jobs, and they are hiring from every country. Like even the previous ones I mentioned, they are also hiring from any country at all. This one says you must have English transcription experience and you'll be confident in the quality of work you're going to be delivering to them. So the benefits of working from them is they have competitive pay, though I was not able to find the exact pay from my research, and they have flexible hours, just like the previous ones too. So here it is. If you're interested in becoming a transcriber for this website, you just send an email to this email address here. Then you follow the information. The information is the subject, is your name, transcription application. You fill in the blanket. You provide responses to these questions they're going to ask you. Questions like describe your English transcription experience, the country you live in currently, your time zone, your level of English proficiency, that is if you're native, fluent, and the rest, and your desired rate in US dollars per hour audio transcription. So what it means is that you give them an estimate of how much you're going to be earning for 1 hour audio transcription. Then what else you should know about you? You should tell them about what else you need them to know about you. And of course, you have to attach your resume, and it must be attached as a PDF file so that they know you better and have a better understanding of what you can do. And remember, some of them may ask you to take some transcription exams or some tests, even interviews, for them to understand better how good you are with the work. If you're looking to get a writing job that the payment is fast, you might want to check out this video. And of course, if you want to learn how to create your own talking avatar, you may want to check out this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.